Alright, part 2 of the Tahoe disassembly. Reason why I'm doing this as well is because I'm not a chrome man. I hate chrome. I don't like all that chrome. No way. On the side of the headlight, don't like all that. You have to keep the inside and that stuff down there because that's the reflective part. We have about 46 seconds left. Set yourself up with a towel, do something. We're going to see if we can't pull these apart. I got safety glasses on, well, sunglasses, because you never know, you're messing with glue. So we're going to pull these out and see what happens. Your guess is as best as mine. They should be able to be pulled right apart. Some TLC. There's little clips. You want to make sure they're unclipped. It's very, very hot. Pull your clips up. Make sure all your clips are up. And just start pulling. Headlights should start coming apart. Voila. Whew, that was hot. That was really hot. Really hot. Alright, so now you have your headlight away from your headlight. You see that? It's crazy how things happen, right? And that's that. So now we're going to get to painting all this and all this. Get to fabricating. It's called custom.